What's your name?
Hi,
Hi. What's your name?
my name is Muhammad Asaf, and what's your name?
My name is Asliya.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chakmada.
Where is this?
This is beside Basipur.
Basupur. You
Yes.
know Basupur?
Yes, I know.
What all do you know about Basupur?
Uh, Lots of shops are there, and anyone purchasing a thing. Yes.
Okay.
There are
From
some.
where did you purchase this bag?
I'm purchased bag in India.
India.
Yes.
How much money did you spend for purchasing bag?
I don't know how much money is spent.
Why? You purchased that bag and you don't know how much money do you spend?
My father gave me.
Okay, okay. Do you know about the goodness of a bag?
Yes, I know about goodness bag. Bag is very important for every person, and someone wants purchase bag and he wants to take admission and he wants to keep a copy and pen. That's why I can say bag is very important and he is very good. That is
Okay.
very good.
Uh, so you know only about this bag.
Yes, I know.
You don't know how many types of bag.
I know a lots of type of bag.
Then tell me.
Uh, lots of lots of people purchasing bag and he wants to go other place and he wants to a lots of keep a lots of things. That's why I can say bag is very important.
Okay. Nowadays, what are you doing?
Nowadays I'm doing BA
BA.
and
What is full form of
currently
BA?
uh, now this time currently learning English.
Learning. What
Yes.
is full form of BA?
Bachelor of Arts.
Bachelor Arts.
Yes.
What is beneficial of BA?
If you want to take admission BA and you want to do job for government center, and that's why BA that's why BA is very important.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I am from Dhanupur.
Dhanupur. Where
Yeah.
is Dhanupur?
Dhanupur is beside Kiran.
Kiram.
Yeah.
Where is Kiram?
You don't know Kiran?
No, I don't know.
Okay. You know about Handia?
Yes, I know
It
about.
is 10 km for Kiran.
Okay, what is famous in your village?
My village Dhanupur pond is very famous and Dhanupur market is famous. It is very huge market and lots of people are going to one shop to another shop for purchasing someone vegetables, groceries, and lots of things. And
What is
you are
your
doing
village condition?
my village condition is very good.
Then
And
why are you come here?
I am coming here for taking knowledge.
You want to take knowledge?
Yeah.
Please tell me which type do you want to take knowledge?
I want to take knowledge about English language, how to speak English.
How can
Is
say it is possible?
what's possible?
You want to learn English.
Yeah, it is possible. Whatever I want to do, I can do everything. It's possible. And why are you coming here?
I'm coming here. I want to learn English.
You want to learn English.
Yes.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because now this time anyone want to learn English and he wants to speak English.
Speaking.
I,
What do you know? What is the importance of speaking English?
I know everyone says English is very good and you want to go other country and anywhere. If you know about English, you can speak any language. You can understand any language.
So you are saying if every person is saying something, you agree that things?
I'm not agree. I'm saying
Then tell me importance of English, importance of English language. What are you saying that every person says English is very good?
says
You agree?
I don't agree. I'm saying if you know about English, you can go anywhere. If you he speak he speak English, you can understand.
Okay. If you go to Bihar, what will you say? What language will you use in Bihar?
I don't know. I don't know.
You say if you want to go anywhere and Bihar is a place.
Yes, I know Bihar is a
So
place.
tell me,
But I don't know.
you can speak English in Bihar?
No. You can't
Then
add.
why are you saying everywhere you can
I'm not
speak?
saying I'm not saying in Bihar. I'm saying
Bihar is a place.
I'm
Bihar is
saying
also a
place,
place.
but I'm
Bihar
not
is a
saying what is.
state.
I'm not saying about Bihar.
Why?
I'm not saying about Bihar. I'm saying place. If you want to go, you want to go America anywhere. You want to do job at there, and he speak English. Then if you don't know about English, then what will you do?
Okay, okay. Just think. You want to go to Bihar?
No, I
You
won't.
want to go to Bihar?
No.
You will go only America?
I'm not going America. I'm saying if you want to go at there, if you want to go at
Yeah,
there,
I know it is a condition, but I am speaking that when you will go to Bihar, what language will you use? You spoke everywhere, and Bihar is in everywhere. Bihar is a place. Bihar is a state. Bihar is a part of India.
but at there, I think Bihari language.
Bihari.
Use Bihari language.
Okay.
But you don't know about English language. You want to go America. Then what will you do?
I will use Google.
But
I will use a platform which changes language.
yes, I know.
And you know, perhaps you don't know one gadgets have come by which we can change the language easily.
But you don't know how to start uh, app and how to use app. You don't know, then what will you do?
Why are you entering this condition?
You want to search Google,
If
but you
someone
don't know.
if someone can go to America, he doesn't know how to use mobile or apps. What are you saying?
If you don't know about English, then how to search what is
There is
English?
available Hindi language. There is available Hindi language. There is also available Hindi language and other language. Lots of language: Urdu, Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Chinese, Russian. Lots of language is available at there.
If you don't know what is English, then how to discuss, how to talk to each other?
Why? What is the need of knowing English? Why we should know English?
But anyone says to depend
We have
upon
the gadget. We have the gadget by which we can change the language. Someone is speaking English. We are listening in Hindi language. We can listen by the gadget. We will be speaking English. That person will be listening in Hindi. He can do by gadget.
But I'm saying American use only English.
Yeah.
I'm listened American use only English. Then how to talk?
You are totally wrong.
I'm not totally
No. I will stop at this point to you. You don't know the person who comes in India. They are also speaking. They are also speak Hindi language, but with Indian peoples. You don't know about that persons.
I listened. He's using.
Then why are you saying every person is using English?
I am listened. He's using only use English.
No.